Now we're ready to move from planning into the organizing phase of the management functions. Once an organization has adopted a plan, the organization must organize itself to carry out this plan. This is what we call the organizational phase of the management process. In this unit and the next, we will look at a number of elements in the organizing function. They include organizational structure, organizing work groups and teams, organizing the various departments and organizations, and the specific function of the human resource department. Your team should be moving on in this unit to write the 900-word paper about how the organization you chose for your project organizes itself and how it's characteristic of many modern organizations. There are some very interesting organization configurations that we can look at, from the traditional hierarchy, which is the pyramid type organization, to matrix management organizations, hub and spoke organizations, and also I've put a couple of readings in the readings here that are very recent within the month of May in 2015 about the organization called Zappos. Zappos sells shoes and clothing accessories. It's an internet sales organization, very much like Amazon. And they have decided to do away with all middle management. So they are no longer managing their employees. They're allowing their employees to manage themselves using a management scheme called holacracy, which is a rather controversial idea. But it's interesting, and I think you ought to take a look at it. As I said, I've put a couple of readings in the course about holacracy, and maybe that will be the subject of our discussion about what you think are some of the benefits and some of the problems of using holacracy. And as I said, your team is going to be meeting to write about the organizational phase, and we'll be looking forward to working on that. And I'll be looking forward to seeing your papers based on the organizational phase. Okay? Once again, if you have any questions about anything that's going on in the course, anything you don't understand, feel free to post a question in the Ask Your Instructor discussion, and I'll be very happy to answer your question there. Bye now.